So today we will discuss in chemical reactions, oxidation and reaction, differences and examples. Differences and examples we will discuss. Okay. So please see here, children. Already in chemical reactions we completed combination, decomposition, displacement, double displacement, exothermic, endothermic. This reactions. Now next one is oxidation and reduction. So let us check the differences between oxidation and reduction. Kindly, carefully, you please see here oxidation and reduction. Definitions first, and then some examples. Okay, some examples. Oxidation. What is meant by oxidation? Addition of oxygen is called oxidation, or removal of hydrogen is also called oxidation, or removal of electron is also called as oxidation. Whereas in reduction, addition, removal of oxygen is called reduction if you remove oxygen, or addition of hydrogen or addition of electron is also called reduction. These are the primary differences between oxidation and reduction. If you go to higher classes, they will also say increase in oxidation number is called oxidation, and decrease in oxidation number is called reduction. What is oxidation number? I will explain to you, children. What is oxidation number, reduction? All these things I will describe. I will explain to you in one class. Okay. Increase in oxidation number is also called oxidation. Decrease in oxidation number is also called as reduction. These are the differences. Definition: addition of oxygen, removal of hydrogen, removal of electron, or increase in oxidation number. What is oxidation number means? I will tell you. It's just like valence unit. Okay, and this is removal of oxygen, addition of hydrogen, addition of electron, or decrease in oxidation number. I'll explain everything. So first, these are the differences in the definition. Mainly differences in the definition. Okay. Now, once differences are over, definitions. Now let us check with some examples. Okay. So, oxidation and reduction. Okay. Oxidation and reduction. So what happens in oxidation and reduction means, see here, I told you addition of oxygen, removal of hydrogen, removal of electron. Removal of oxygen, addition of hydrogen, and addition of electron. Like some small examples. S plus O2, SO2. Sulfur is oxidized to sulfur dioxide. Sulfur is oxidized, sulfur dioxide. Okay. Now, C plus O2 gives CO2. Carbon is oxidized to carbon dioxide. Addition of oxygen. Okay. H2 plus O2 gives H2O. Hydrogen is oxidized. Hydrogen is oxidized. Okay. Hydrogen is oxidized. Or simple logic, I will say oxygen is reduced because addition of to oxygen we are adding hydrogen. Addition of hydrogen is called reduction. So oxygen is reduced. Hydrogen is oxidized. Oxygen is reduced. Like this. Fine. So addition of oxygen in all of them is called as oxidation. Reduction. N2 plus H2 gives NH3 ammonia. N2 plus H2 gives ammonia. Okay, addition of hydrogen. So nitrogen is reduced. Nitrogen is reduced to ammonia. Nitrogen is reduced to ammonia. Addition of hydrogen is called addition of hydrogen is called addition of hydrogen is called reduction. Okay, there are so many reactions where oxidation and reduction also takes place. Okay, that type of reactions are called redox reactions that I will see in another class. And coming to oxidation, 5 varieties are there. What are the 5 varieties means? Oxidation in presence of catalyst. Oxidation in presence of catalyst. Combustion. Corrosion. Okay, rusting. Rancidity. This I will talk in another part. Okay, in another part I will discuss about all these different types of oxidation. Today I want to discuss only the basic differences between oxidation and reduction. Okay, in under oxidation compulsory we have to, for 10th class we have all these differences or different types of oxidation. Oxidation process of catalyst, combustion, corrosion, rusting, rancidity, all are these are the different varieties of oxidation. Okay, we will discuss them in the next part. And redox reaction is combination of oxidation reduction is called redox reaction. So here only I am discussing today definition of oxidation, definition of reaction, and some examples. Some examples. Okay, and many questions you will not understand without oxidation number. Many questions, like suppose one example. Okay, one question. Like suppose CuO plus H2 gives Cu plus H2. Okay, here this is losing oxygen. Who is losing oxygen? Copper oxide. It is losing oxygen means it is reduction. And here hydrogen is gaining oxygen. Hydrogen is gaining means oxygen means it is oxidation. So who underwent oxidation? H2. Who underwent reduction? Cu. As both oxidation and reduction is occurring, this is called reduction. So why I told this reaction means I can show you reduction reactions in many of them as part of the reactions. So the loss of oxygen is called reduction. Okay, so briefly about redox reaction we'll discuss in another part, but just to see, I want to show you some reduction reactions. That's why I gave this example. Many of the reaction reactions will be a part of the reaction. Okay, so if you gain oxygen, that is called oxidation. If you lose oxygen, that is called reduction. Okay, so and what is oxidation number? What are reduction? So in another coming classes, we'll discuss what is oxidation number, how to balance the reactions, what are the different types of oxidations, okay, and what is redox reaction. These are the different things we have to study in the coming classes. First, I will discuss about redox reactions. Then I will tell about oxidation number. Then I will say what different types of oxidations. Then I will tell oxidation number, how to balance the reactions. How to balance the reactions, I will say in normal classes, normal reactions. In IIT classes, I will say how to balance the ionic reactions by in acidic medium and basic medium. That will be coming in inter first year and second year. Okay. So in coming classes, we'll discuss redox, oxidation, different types, balancing, and oxidation number. Okay. For just today's class, you just remember what are the differences between oxidation and reaction. Okay. If you have any doubts, you let me know now.